Hello everyone, I'm Sinan Demir and I'm going to present you our work titled as Learning of Suboptimal Gait Controllers for Magnetic Walking Soft Millirobots. Untethered small-scale soft robots have promising applications, such as minimally invasive surgery and targeted drug delivery. However, due to their virtually infinite degrees of freedoms, lack of accurate models, and nonlinear dynamics, use of conventional control techniques is a challenging task. Moreover, dynamic task environment, fabrication-dependent variations, and degradation of the robot's material over time, which are especially important in medical applications, make usage of adaptable control techniques a necessity. To overcome these challenges, we proposed a data-efficient learning method based on Gaussian process and Bayesian optimization. Our objectives are optimization of the stride length of a soft robot, adaptation to the variances in the robot, and adaptation to the changes in the environment. In addition to these objectives, we also investigated the effect of transfer learning in Gaussian processes on the learning performance. Here is a soft robot that we have used in our study. After fabricating the robot, we rolled it around a jack, hard magnetized, and placed in a uniform magnetic field. In order to generate the walking locomotion shown in the video, we applied the actuation signal defined by magnetic field strength, frequency, and two direction angles. Initially, we took the parameter sets reported in the paper previously published by our department and compared the reported performances with 3 replicas. In line with the challenges I mentioned before, there is inconsistency in the gait performances due to variations in the fabrication, and previously reported parametric model cannot predict the robot performance. As the first method to overcome these problems, we used Bayesian optimization and Gaussian processes. Here the prior mean, which corresponds to the expected stride length performance, is set to be constant 0 since there is no prior information about the robot. You can see a sample application of this method on a 1D case on the left-hand side. To find the optimum parameter sets, we run this method on all 3 robots for 3 independent learning runs limited to 20 experiments for data efficiency. On the right figure, you can see the experimental results throughout these learning runs. As the method tries finding the optimum parameter set, which is its main objective, it explored the search space and observed different locomotion modes as well. As next, we used transfer learning to construct a prior understanding about the robot. Therefore, the Gaussian process is initialized with previously learned mean function instead of constant 0 mean. In order to generate this prior information, we explored the search space for a single robot using Bayesian optimization and collected 123 data points from experimental results. Then, we transferred this prior to all of the robots and tested them following the same experimental procedure as in the previous case. As you can see through the table, both methods, with and without prior information, outperforms the previously reported result. Moreover, when we compare the average performance of learning runs for each robot, we can see that using the prior information has a positive effect on the optimization results. After showing that the proposed method can optimize the stride length and adapt to the variances between robots, we tested the same method for changing environmental conditions. For that purpose, we tested our robot on smooth and rough surfaces and showed that the proposed method improves the performance in limited number of tests as claimed. To summarize, our work showed that the proposed method can optimize the stride length of different robots and adapt to the changes in the environments. Moreover, using transfer learning improves the average performance of learning runs. We would like to thank all the institutions that supported us and funded our study. Thank you all for your attention.